How to change chessboard theme on chess.com. Let's find out. Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how you can change the board theme on chess.com. I'm on the iPhone, but it works on PC and Android as well. First I want to show you what theme I have now. As you can see, I have a standard game room theme, and in order to change this theme, just go to More and then go to Theme. Once inside the theme settings, you can just choose whatever theme you want. I'm just going to go for the glass theme, looks cool. And then let's go out and see the changes. So this is how you change the board theme on the chess.com app. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.